Hi, everybody. Mustafa here. Hope all is well. Today, I'm going to talk about creating content, which is a big challenge, or seems to be a big challenge for a lot of business owners. And when it comes about to creating content, either for video, for audio, for with a website, blog, articles, and whatnot, they freeze. A lot of people that I talk to are like, "Oh, I don't know how to create content, or I don't know what to say." So I'm going to talk about a few pointers on how to create content easy, and you could probably start doing that today, right away. So the first place that I would start is the stuff that you do really easy, that comes to you easy, the stuff that you're pro at. For example, when it comes to, say, plumbing, installing a toilet. Oh, when you say, oh, it's easy. So what you want to do is you want to create a video about the easy thing that it is that you do, because it's easy for you, but it's not easy for me or other people. Let's say you're an accountant and you do your year-end easily. It's like you could do it in your sleep. And when people say, oh yeah, I need to do my year-end, and you say, oh, that's easy. Oh, I could do it like, while I'm taking a nap. And so what you want to do is you want to create a short, simple video or write a quick article. Video is easier, like what I'm doing here, and talk about what it is that you do and how it's done. Okay. Again, these are the stuff that you do easy. It comes to you natural, and you don't even think about it. That's the stuff that people want to know about. Okay. So you create a 3-point video or a 10-step process, map it out, explain what it does for people and how it's done. People look at that, people go, oh, this guy knows what he's talking about. He's a pro at this. You make them an offer, and then, they'll take your offer, and you take it from there. So stuff that you're good at comes to you natural, and it's easy peasy for you. Create a training. Now, a lot of people that I talk to are concerned with people stealing their ideas. Oh, what if somebody steals my idea? Well, here it is. If you're an accountant, think about this. There is thousands of other accountants out there that do what you do. Okay. There are thousands of dentists that are doing what you're doing, but not very many of them share the process with others. Not very many of them create a video about how it's done or what it is that they do. Okay. So here's another simple solution for you. You provide the step-by-step process on how you do what it is that you do. Let's say that you do year-end accounting. Okay, let me pick on accountants for now. You provide a step-by-step process on how to do your year-end. And what happens is you are going to start doing it. Most of them won't. They won't even think about trying it. They're just going to come back to you. But even the ones that do start it on their own, they're going to get stuck. They're going to have questions. Then they will call you and ask you about your expertise, and they're going to want and need your help. They're going to need your help. So you show them the process, establish your expertise, be the professional, establish yourself as the go-to person, okay? And let them try it, which they will. Some of them won't. Most of them won't. They'll just come to you and say, hey, I'm a dentist. You're an accountant. I'm not even going to try bookkeeping or accounting. So just take care of my accountant and bill me. So you're like, great. Your task is done. So the stuff that you're easy and natural at, you create a step-by-step process, a video, a training on how it's done, and then you put it out there, establish yourself as the expert. The next thing that it's very easy to create content on is your customers' problems, challenges, concerns, fears, and frustrations. So if you create write it down, or create a Word document, or create a note on your phone and note down your customers' problems, challenges, fears, concerns, frustrations, then that would be content for you. How? So you're going to talk about 5 ways to fix this challenge, how to fix this frustration, why you should not really worry about this fear. If you're concerned about this concern, read on, right? 10 steps, step by step, 10 ways to fix this problem. Step-by-step process to fix this challenge or this problem. Do you see how that works? So I could say, if you're not sure how to grow your business, here's a solution for you. 6-step process to take your marketing to a whole new level and get new customers and cash. So I talked about a problem, and here's a solution and what the result you get at the end. So list that and start addressing those challenges, fears, frustrations, problems, pains, concerns, and whatnot. So that's easy content for you. And when you talk about your clients' challenges, fears, and frustrations, that establishes you as the expert. You become the go-to person because you talk about their pain, you talk to their problems and to their challenges and fears and concerns and whatnot. And that establishes you as the expert because you're communicating with their pain. You know their pain, and you offer a solution to their pain. Very easy to come up with content on that. It's not rocket science. It's not hard. Now, most people are concerned about how they look, how they sound, how they're perceived on video. I was like that. Not anymore. Here's the fact. Nobody cares. Okay? Now, in your first video or two, you might look immature or not immature, unprofessional or whatnot, but it doesn't matter. What matters is you actually get the video or the content out and you connect to your people. The fact that they see you sharing your process creates value and establishes you as the expert, as the professional, as the go-to person. So don't worry about it. Just put it out there, and within the next few times that you actually create some content and video, you become better at it. And you'll enjoy the process. And there's the worst that could happen is nothing. Nobody likes it, nobody comments, nobody shares it. Done. Okay? But when you do it, it goes viral. It's really good. You could leverage that. There's a lot of goods that come along with that. So again, if you're still concerned about the concern of people stealing your ideas, what you could do is you could talk about what needs to be done, but not how it gets done. I'm a big fan of sharing the how-to because it shows how much of an expert you are, because there's a lot of people out there to talk about what needs to get done, but they don't know how to do it themselves, okay? They're not really good at it. So share the how. Now, if you have a patent, if you have a technology, if you have a secret that you don't want to share, touch on the surface on how it gets done. Don't get too deep, okay? Mind you, when you even share with people how it needs to get done or how it gets done step by step, they still won't do it. They'll come back to you with questions. Next thing that you can actually do to create content really easily on your email, videos, or whatnot is answer frequently asked questions and create a video about that. People ask you about how something is done. People ask you a question, say, about how to create a Facebook ad, about a year-end taxing problem, about a dental issue, on why it's happening, how it's happening, and what you need to do to fix it. So answering frequently asked questions allows you to create content very easily and establish yourself as the expert, as the professional. And it's very, very, very important. Anyway, so let me just do a quick review on how you can easily create content. Number one, share the step-by-step process on what you do, stuff that you're really good at, and it's easy peasy and natural for you. Number two, talk about your clients' challenges, fears, frustrations, problems, and concerns, and show the solution to the challenges that they're having. If you have this challenge, here's the solution. Number three, answering their frequently asked questions. And then again, you answer the questions and then they'll ask more, and you would encourage them to ask more questions. So I hope this helps. Creating video is really good. I think every business should do it. but not very many people actually do, and the ones that do stand out from their competition. If you have any questions about this topic and creating content, reach out, leave a comment, or PM me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Please like and share this video, leave a comment, or if you have a question, you could comment it, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Our next course for Simple Marketing Formula is coming up on June 20th. That's a course where you will build a simple marketing plan to take your business to the next level. I like to keep things simple. This is a simple course and simple marketing that will get you results. What I share in there in 6 weeks is the cream of the crop when it comes to marketing, and I'm sharing what I've learned in the past 8 years doing marketing for a variety of businesses all over Canada, and the stuff that is essential that will get you results. If you're interested in that, visit presire.com/smf to visit and see our daily webinar that I share my step-by-step process on how this plan could be put together and what you see in the course. By attending that webinar, I'm sharing the entire process. You can actually get a marketing plan that you can start using right away. Anyway, I hope this helps. Please like and share the video, subscribe to our channel, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day. Mustafa Hosseini, your business and marketing coach. Bye now.